Our next topic is acceleration, but before acceleration, just see, acceleration is change in rate of change of velocity, and uniform motion is constant speed or constant velocity. Constant means there is no change. If there is no change in velocity, so acceleration will be 0. Acceleration is denoted by small a. Small a. Acceleration is change in velocity. Suppose there are two velocity, initial and final. Just note it down. Initial velocity means starting velocity, final velocity means finishing velocity. Initial velocity is denoted by u in your textbook, and final velocity denoted by v. Just note it down, initial velocity and final velocity. So what is acceleration? Acceleration is change in velocity. How to find change? Final minus initial. Final velocity minus initial velocity, so you will get change, and divide by time taken. So acceleration is defined as change in velocity divided by time taken, or you can say that in simple way, rate of change. Rate means time consuming with respect to time. So rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. Rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. If there is no change in velocity or no change in speed, what we will say? It is constant speed, means uniform motion. If there is uniform motion, means no change in velocity. If there is no change in velocity, acceleration will be 0. So acceleration depends on non-uniform motion. Just note it down. There are two type of motion, non-uniform and uniform. And in uniform motion, no change in speed, it is constant. So if speed is constant, there is no acceleration. So acceleration depends on variable motion, means non-uniform motion. So how to find unit of acceleration? What is the unit of velocity? We have seen meter per second. Meter per second. And what is the unit of time? Second. You can write like meter per second divided by second. So second into second, second square. So meter per second square is the unit of acceleration. One more thing I want to clear here. In your textbook, unit will be written like meter second and minus 2. It is not a different. In a lesson of power and exponent in maths in 7th standard and 8th standard, you have seen that if power of m is 2 divided by power of mn is 3. So if you will take n is in at a numerator place, you will write like n is minus 3. So similar here, meter per second square. So if you will take here, second square is at a denominator place. अगर इसको आप ऊपर लोगे, means at the place of numerator, so power will be negative. So both are similar. You can use whatever you want. Okay beta. So acceleration is change in velocity if there are two velocities. Suppose take example, so your concept will be clear. Note it down. Initial velocity you have to indicate by u, final velocity you will indicate by v. So if I am writing here, u, so just note it down, it is a initial velocity. If initial velocity is 5 meter per second, please always use right units, and final velocity is 8 meter per second, and for changing from 5 to 8 it takes time 3 seconds. What will be the acceleration? Acceleration is change in velocity, final minus initial. Final is V, initial U, and time taken. What is the final velocity? 8 minus 5 divided by 3. So 3 by 3 equal to 1. And what is the unit? Meter per second square. So what is the acceleration? The rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. Units. Unit of distance and displacement will be meter or kilometer. Speed and velocity, unit of speed and velocity, meter per second or kilometer per hour. Unit of acceleration will be meter per second square or kilometer per hour. Don't be confused. So whatever things we have seen till now, what is motion, distance, displacement, velocity, speed, acceleration, uniform and non-uniform motion, units of all physical quantity, scalar quantity and vector quantity. So in next video we will discuss about different types of graph as well as equation of motion. There are 3 equation of motion is given in this lesson. How to derive equation of motion by using graphs. Thank you.